full screen. Maki-view pa ng full screen. Okay. So, the title of my quick sharing for this afternoon is entitled, Dare to Rise. Test natin. Wala pa. Okay. Dare to Rise, no? Unleashing the unstoppable within you. Na lalabas. Sige, magtatanong muna ako. Sino dito guys yung naka-attend na ng Power Charge Camp? Taas kamay. Okay? Si Cloud. Rise Up 1, 2. Sino dito yung naka-attend na ng Breakthrough Boundaries? So, ibig sabihin, daming beses na, no? Tama ba guys? What we learned during this past 2 days isn't something that's different. Sino dito yung narinig na yung about estate planning before? Branch meeting. Ayan, sana mag-play. Mga B. Okay, no? Branch meeting. Probably na-invite si Attorney Cabrera. Tama ba? No? Napanood niyo yung video ni Sanjay? Parang gusto niyo na talaga umuwi, ah. Okay lang guys, bigyan niyo ako 30 minutes. And I promise you, I will try my best to wrap up everything. No? So, sino dito, nung nakikinig, ilang beses binanggit yung full-time? Ano daw sabi niya? For you to guarantee na tatalunin mo yung iyong competitor, you have to... Ayan, thank you, Lord. Okay. Ano, ibabalik? Ayan, okay. Totoong buhay na, meron lang slides. Okay. Dare to rise, unlocking the unstoppable in you. You have to be full-time and stay. Sino dito? Full-time na lang. Ayos up lang mga ate na. No, yung parang, alam mo, banda dito nakikita ko si Kuya kanina. Talagang nagkaganon talaga yung leg mo, ha? Ikaw, ha? Anong branch ka, girl? Ha? To sleep. Ha? Cross. Jody, Karen, okay. No? So, probably, ako kasi ang tanong ko ganito, guys. Okay lang, tingin ka muna sa akin.
Yes.
Ang tanong ko, sa dami ng inatenan mo, bakit hindi ka pa sumakses? Sa dami ng pera na nilabas mo sa lahat ng training natin, nag-flight ka pa, ba't hindi pa nagre-ring sa tenga ko ang pangalan mo? Natanong mo na ba sa sarili mo yun? Or minute mo lang yung Rise Up 4.0, Golia daw ang gagawa? Ha? Or hahabulin mo bago mag 5:30 yung body promo ng Bibicon? Meron ba? Parang di kayo mahahabol. Pero guys, tama ba? Tama ba, team? If you shelled out money for yourself, for all of these trainings, why is it that up to now, hindi pa tayo sumakses? Parang may mali. Nakikita nyo guys yung picture sa likod ko? Baka ang ina-expect mo may ning-ning-ning-ning-ning-ning-ning. Sasabihin sa'yo ng Lord, mag-full-time ka na. It's time. Meron ba? You know, the magical thing will happen if it will be next to it. Meron ako nakitang scene, no, sa Kung Fu Panda. May masarap na something, no? Kakainin, or I don't know, para yata maging dragon siya, whatever. Pero sabi doon, you know what's the secret? There's no secret ingredient. It will be your time if you believe it is your time. You will be promoted if you say, it's my time. Ako sabi nga guys, it's my time.
It's my time.
It's about time.
It's about time.
Napower ba tayo kay Jave?
Yes.
Napower ba tayo sa speakers dito? Kay Sanjay? Kay Sir Melvin? Napower ba tayo guys? Kay Francisco? But the question is Is it your time? Is it your moment? Ito na ba yung pagkakataon na ikaw naman yung aangat? You know, there's a story by Socrates. A young person went to him and he was asking, Sir, paano ba ako magiging successful? Sige, mag-meet tayo. 4 a.m. in the morning, pupunta tayong dagat. Meet mo ako doon. What happened the following day, that young man met Socrates. So what they did? Yan, nasa pangpak, no? Lalakad sila. Nandito. Malamig ka. Lalakad sila. Nandito. Parang palunod na yata kami, ah. Anong ginawa guys si Socrates doon sa young person yun? What he did? Hinawakan niya dito. Nilublob niya. Hanggang sa maging blue. You know what happened? Inakyat niya nung malapit na mamatay. Inakyat niya. Ito yung itsura ng mama. If you want to succeed, as much as you want air, you will succeed. Kung gusto mo talagang mag-succeed, katulad ng paghinga, kung mamamatay ka at malulunod, magsasucceed ka. Kasi wala ka ng ibang makikita. Excuse. So how do we become unstoppable? I actually created this illustration, guys, para ma-visualize natin. May mga visual learners ba dito? Number one, ang dami na nating narinig. Pero alam mo kung anong kailangan mo? Kailangan mo ng decision. No? If you invite me in your branches, I always talk about decision because nothing happens unless someone decides. Probably nakaupo ka sa pinakadulo, nakaupo ka sa pinakagilid, pero pag magde-decide ka, next time, ikaw naman yung nandito. No? You need decision, persistence, hard work, and effort. Darating lang yan kung magde-decide ka. Now, what are the, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that you need? Number 1 is skill and knowledge. Sino dito guys yung maraming natutunan na bagong armor? Yung pwede pag may kausap siya, alam mo ba sir, ang estate planning, may ganito siya. May charity, may income distribution, may inheritance. Tama ba? Marami tayo ng bago, ano? Sabi dito, build your armory. Ibig sabihin, every time you attend, may nakukuha kang pistol. May nakukuha kang granada. Papatayin natin yung kliyente natin, pero may nakukuha kang granada. Meron kang bagong ilalabas. Tama ba guys? Very important because what did Dr. Sanjay said? Your presentation and activity will impact your productivity, your production. Next, innovation. Tinuro nila, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huwag mong sundin as is. Put in your own flavor. Bakit natin in-invite si Alvin mag-drop up dito kahapon, guys? Yung nag-Chinese, nag-Spanish, naalala niyo ba yun, guys? No? Iba yung flavor. Si UMPRT Theo tumayo dito, ibang flavor. Bring in your flavor to the table. Hindi kailangan pareho lahat, Jonas, no? Dito na kami nagbiyahe. Hindi ganun kailangan lahat. Tama ba, guys? No? Eh, sino to? Mother! Kilala niyo ba yun? District manager ko yun, guys. No? Okay, TikToker yun. No? So, you need to bring in your flavor. You need to what? Innovate. Baguhin mo. Huwag kang mag-copy-paste. Ilagay mo yung flavor mo. Number 3. Diyos ko lang, build systems and habits. Bakit sabi nga, guys? Systems and habits.
Systems and habits.
Dami mo nang natutunan, tama? Sa una, hindi mo pa yan masyadong master. Ay, kailangan mo pala gumigising ng 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Akala ko pa 10. No, so as you learn, sabi nila, maaga sila magising, ini-incorporate mo siya sa sistema mo. Ay, kailangan mo pala nagpa-prospect, gine-grade mo pala ang sarili. So, kinokopya mo siya. But when you build your system, when you build your habit, nakikita mo yung resulta eh. Tama ba, guys? So pag nakikita mo yung resulta, nag-work, or hindi nag-work, you amend it according to results. Tama ba, guys?
Yes.
Sabi dito, automating your success. And remember what D.M. Marcos said? You have to calendar your priorities. Unahan muna. Ako din personally, team, kapag one-on-one time ko, nakalagay na yan, nakablock na yan. Bakit? Kasi alam ko, pag nag-one-on-one ako, may bago akong unit manager. Pag nag-one-on-one ako, nagme-mentor ako. Pag nag-one-on-one ako, may bago akong MDRT sa team. Anong kailangan ng negosyo mo? Agent ka, wala ka pang recruit, mag-recruit ka. Isama mo sa calendar mo. AUM ka, may isa kang recruit. Itapo na natin guys yung history na pagka-recruit mo, nawala, iiyak ka na naman. Agent ka na naman. Dapat ang mindset ng Collab community, pagka-recruit mo ng isa, tatalon ka sa 10. JUM tayo lahat. Okay ba yun guys?
Yes!
Pwede ba akong makakita ng libo-libo na JUMs and unit managers from Collab community? It's your time to shine. It's your time to rise up. Be unstoppable. Very important may nangyayari sa buhay mo. Pag walang nangyayari sa buhay mo, walang bilang, sayang ang bayad mo. Hindi ako galit ha? Pero dapat full time. Ha? Next. Yan. Okay lang guys, magkwento ako. One day, a queen was walking in the garden of her kingdom. Ito guys, nakikita niyo yung singsing. Sige, singsing po ito. This is actually an example of the most expensive ring. This ring is $721 million. Mas mahal pa talaga yun sa... Tama ba guys? $721 million. Imagine mo, naglalakad na ganyan, siguro kumakanta-kanta ba yung queen, no? Nahulog yung singsing doon sa balon. Yung balon, manipis masyado yung opening. And only a child is able to get in that well. So, ano nangyari guys? Nagpatawag yung hari. O sige, yung bata na maglalakas loob na pupunta dito, pupunta siya sa ilalim, kukunin niya yung singsing ng reyna, bibigyan mo ng matinding pabuya. Are we familiar with the word babuya? Because baka you're so English, ha? Okay. Sabi nung hari, kasi may lumapit na bata, no? Ako po, mahal na hari. Sabi nung hari, sige, meron ako ditong mga guards, ang lalaki ng katawan nila. Kayang-kaya kanilang buhatin. But you know what that kid said? Look at me. Sabi niya, mahal na hari, pupunta po ako dyan sa well na yan on one condition. Ang condition ko po, yung tatay ko, yung hahawak ng tali. Sige, nasa mo yung tatay mo? Nakita niya yung tatay, napakapayat. Naghahanap ako ng payat. Hindi naman ako nahirapan, kayo naman. No? Naghahanap yung nakita niya yung payat. Naku, bakit naman si tatay mo pa ang parang matutumba na siya. Guys, alam niyo yung sabi ng bata? Mahal na hari, maaaring payat mo yung tatay. Pero dahil yung pinakamamahal niyang anak, yung nasa kabilang dulo ng tali na yun, kahit mo pumutok yung mga ugat niya, hindi na bibitawan. Kasi mahal niya. Number 4, guys, seryoso Probably 30 minutes lang ako, but if you will listen to what I'm trying to tell you, if you really want to succeed, ito talaga yung pundasyon ng lahat. The unshakable belief that God has a plan for you. Tanggay naman ngayon. And normally, if you notice, people who share here, they've been through the depths of darkness. Tama ba? Tignan mo si Jake, naisip na niya magpakamatay. Ako personally, bakit willing akong magtrabaho ng matindi? Kasi naranasan ko naman wala ng pera. Pag wala kang pera, mas willing kang magtrabaho. Sino dito guys yung mga nahirapan sa buhay? Sorry sa mga magaganda yung buhay guys. But you know what? Smooth roads will never produce a skillful driver. Iba ang hugot ng may pangangailangan. Yung kailangan mo talaga. Kaya pag minsan na nagpo-post ako ng activities, lagi ka, #matinding pangangailangan. Times will never be smooth at all times. Mahihirapan tayo. But you know what? In the darkness, sa ilalim ng lupa, yung pag-feeling mo na sa ilalim ka na ng lupa, grabe na, pinapagsaklaban na ako. Sa ilalim ng lupa, nandun yung gold. Nandun yung diamonds. Sa ilalim ng lupa, nandun yung buto na magiging puno next time. Probably you feel that you are in darkness today, but you know what? God is preparing you for something more beautiful, more exciting. Bago ko tapusin to, actually hindi ko nilagay dyan. Alam niyo yung circle na white? For me, it represents our community. Are we blessed that we are part of Code of Community?
Yes!
Saan ka nakakita pag-usapan natin paano ka kapayamanan? Anong pangarap? Paano ka tutulungan? Willing ka nang mag-work? Sige, trabahuin natin yung goals mo. Tingin ko pagka in-x-ray mo yung bawat puso ng leader, yun yung makikita mo. Hearts that are willing to serve and support. Maximize it. Maximize it, guys. Pwede bang palakpakan natin yung A2? In preparing guys after I'm almost done. Kinakabahan ako, guys. I think after this, some of you can really emerge. Please, don't waste it. May warning ako. Narinig mo yung message ko today, tama? Ano yung nasa likod? Kwento ko lang, guys. So, late last year, so syempre nakikita ko yung mga friends ko, nag-exercise, patakbo-takbo, pinakita yung katawan, maano muna, tapos gumanon. Ano? Ba't kayo natatawa? So, it's been a nagging thought in my head. Ba't mag-exercise ka na? Ba't tigilan mo na yung kain na hindi tama? It nags. Bakit? Guys, actually may nakita akong picture. Hindi ko lang talaga makita kanina umaga. Yung picture kasi, nakatapos yung fit na body niya, tapos yung ilalim niya, mataba pa din. Tabi-tabi po, no? Huwag po kayo magagalit sa akin. Sample po yung nakita, parang ganito, na parang it tells me a fit, more beautiful, and healthy body is inside all of us. In the same way, a more successful, impactful, and someone better is inside of you. And it's really to go out and create its impact to the world. Why not unleash that better you? Pakisabi mo nga sa katabi mo, may igagaling ka pa.
May igagaling ka pa.
Tabi mo sa katabi mo, may isisipag ka pa.
May isisipag ka pa.
Ito ang pinakamatindi! May iyayaman ka pa! Taas yung kamay guys, sa mga naniniwala dun sa declaration natin.
Yes!
Pero guys can you imagine next time? Alam niyo, kwento ka lang sa hindi na ako matatapos. When we were still a unit, sabi namin, sana next time no, ang iisipan naman natin, kailangan natin ng venue na maraming parking. Ngayon, marami nang pumapark. Tama ba? Gusto nyo ba guys, next time? Kailangan natin ng venue na mas matindi ang security kasi Porsche, Hammer, Benz, ano pa yung mga sinusasakyan, no? Ang nakapark na doon. Gusto nyo ba yun guys? Yun, parang nakang-ML. Hindi ganun. But it means that we are all improving kahit po on our level. Walang exempted. Tama ba, DMs? No? Gusto natin mag-improve lahat? Pakibasa nga po guys. 1, 2, 3.
Your own positive future begins in this moment. All you have right now is every goal is possible.
Lahat may notebook, may ballpen? Pakikuha. Let's go guys. Pakikuha. Pakikuha. I want you to write down 1, 2, 3. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'll give you 30 seconds. Write down 3 things you want to happen this year in your career. Let's go. Pwede bang konting music? Ayan. Ay, parang di bagay yung ganito. Parang dapat makabagbag ng langit. Baka gusto mo maging TikToker. Go, write down, write down. Huwag niyo muna kayo mag-usap. There is power in declaration. There is power in belief. There is power in faith. Just like that seed, you may not see it today, but if you will do it, its fruit, its result will be prevalent the following days. Baka ngayon hindi ka pa kilala, but continue to do what you need to do, and you will create your mark. Done? Done? Pakita mo sa katabi mo. Di ito yung commitment ko sa sarili ko. Di ito yung gagawin ko. Ang unit ko ngayon, 10. Gagawin kong 100. Ang unit ko ngayon, 50. Gagawin kong 200. Magpa-branch na kami. Currently, unit manager pa lang ako. Pero ang target ko, magpa-branch kami soon. Currently, agent pa lang ako. Pero mag-GUM ako this year. Currently, wala pa akong pera. Bakit wala akong pera, no? Pero mag-MDRT ako. Can I hear a loud yes?
Ikaw na yung isa dito. JUM. 10 yung sa'yo.
Thank you guys. God bless you. Let's go.